Hey guys, welcome to Motive with Purpose. This is the second episode on my budget cleaning on the E90 328xi. Today we're going to be showing you the interior cleaning process. As I came here to do the part 2, I seen that there's a flood in my car. Big enough, to cause some worries. And when I went to go start my car, the dash lights are not working. So I'm actually pretty excited to see what I'm gonna do with that one. So I hope you get to enjoy, and I'm pretty excited to see how it's gonna come out, and hopefully you guys enjoy the process. Enjoy. So as you can see, I'm not nearly finished with the interior detail because there's still water coming out from the bottom there. And I come over here and there's no more water, but it still needs the cleaning. But so far, I need to figure out where that's coming from. And I have a feeling that it's coming from the drain plugs. The sunroof here has a drain. I think I don't know what to call it. Maybe a drain hole, drain tube. The water goes down this way through the back, and then same thing on this side, on the right side, here on the left side, because I'm in the driver's seat. So on the left side. But when I start the car, here, I have my key here. I want to start the car, and let's say without my foot on the brake. Well, let's put the foot on the brake actually, so we can. My dash lights don't work. Not only that, the car struggles a little bit to turn on, but that's gonna be an issue for another day. I'm also not a mechanic, so this should be really fun. But yeah, I mean, radio works. It turns on and off. I mean, you know, but the subwoofers that are on the bottom, I think they're drenched. So I'm gonna have to check them. I'm gonna have to take out this chair and, you know, do just the whole floor cleaning, because these seats absolutely need a deep clean. I don't know if the camera will pick that up, but as you can see, this car was not really taken care of before I came to it. And when I bought it, I really didn't have the time to care for it. So yeah, this will be an interesting one, and let's get it done. I'm gonna start pouring out this water into the track and see if it comes out any place, and let's see if it's stagnant or anything like that. It should not sit. It should already have gone down. And I'm also gonna put it on this side. So the water should be going down. I'm sorry for the bad camera quality. Actually, it's a matter of skill. So the water should not be sitting, it should actually be going down. And right now I see that it's sitting. And it's taking forever. So there is a clog in the sunroof. And I'm gonna have to unclog that. Right here in the front, on the passenger side, the water is coming out. When we come to the back, I don't see anything, so it's pretty dry down here. I'm gonna check on the other side for you. Same thing on this side. I don't know how long it takes to travel for the back, for the water to travel in the back. But here in the front, same issue. Water is only coming out from that side, so yeah, definitely there is water stuck. That's not good. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, give a quick comment, a like, and a subscribe so you can continue enjoying more videos like this one. If you guys have any ideas, if you guys have any comments, maybe I did something wrong, or you guys know something I don't be afraid to comment on the comment section down below. And I hope you guys have a blessed day. Thank you for staying here at Motive with Purpose. See you in part 3.